Hello guys, this is Simon and this is week 9 of my Innovative Marine 30 long updates. As you can see, I've just today bought another clownfish. I'll try again. The last couple of clownfish died actually. I think I don't know what's wrong with the shipments of especially the clowns. All other fish are doing great. I don't know what's going on, so hopefully this guy will survive. Yeah, that's a guy just down here. Other than that, I have gotten some new corals, and expensive ones as well. As you can see, this one, Scolemia, really gorgeous looking coral, and in the night it opens up. And then you're able to feed it with some. I bought some reef pearls to feed the corals. I've heard that should be really good, so I'm looking forward to see any effect on that. Otherwise, my blue tang is doing great. I also bought this. What's called just a second, I just forgot the name. It's Goniopora, of course, and yeah, I read a lot about that. I should be aware of that. It might not live more than maybe a month or so. Of course, after I bought the coral, so I'm not expecting too much of this coral. Actually, I expect him to die soon enough. So, but hopefully, yeah, it will be around enough time for me to enjoy it. So, yeah, I'll try to feed it, but I've read a lot about it. It's really difficult. So I don't have any high expectations really. Also, this is new, a Canstrea, I think the name is. Also a very gorgeous coral, and yeah, looking forward to see this grow and maybe grow into a small colony in some time, and yeah. And actually my Kenya tree is doing greater than it did before, better than it did before, because now it's kind of growing again and trying to catch the plankton that is floating around. So I think that's good as well. Yeah, and one issue that has been bothering me just lately is that I can't find my blood red shrimp. It's completely gone, and I have no clue where it's gone to. I looked around everywhere and didn't find any leftovers from if it died or something. It's really strange, but again, I read a lot about that. Maybe it could be hiding, but I just think that a 13-gallon tank, and with this aquascape, I don't know what happened, but it's been gone for over a week now, and I'm beginning to think it was eaten maybe by my anemone or something. So yeah. If anyone out there has some advice on this and maybe knows what has happened, would be most welcome to come with some advice. Yeah. All right. I think that about covered it. Yeah. That's it for today, guys. See you around.